So I got this smart plug from Amazon, and I'm going to see if it works with the ceiling light system that I got that did not come with a remote. So I got the 2-pack, and upon opening it didn't come with any other accessories other than the plug and the instructions. With the instructions, you do have to go step by step with each one with pairing it. And I'm just checking out what my room brightness looked like before I actually turned on the lights. So in order to reach my ceiling, I had to get a ladder. And once I had it plugged in, I started pairing it with the app like it told me to. So before I started pairing it, I actually wanted to get rid of the extra cord length. Since it was up in the ceiling, I did not want to be distracted by the cord, so I made it as minimalistic as possible without doing the most. But going back to the app, you do have to download their app and you have to pair it with it. You have to make sure you have a strong Wi-Fi system and literally have the latest version of your phone's app update. It will not pair if you do not have your phone updated. So I connected mine with the Apple and the Alexa app. So it was very easy once you get past all the red tape. It wasn't too difficult. I did have to reset it at least twice though. Alexa, turn on my studio lights.
Okay. By the way,